So headroom is the level above nominal before distortion, which equals 3% total harmonic distortion. So some distortion is acceptable, especially in analog world, but in digital it starts to become a little bit dramatic. With that headroom again is the space between the level that we're actually setting to and clipping. So we need to give it some grace room at the top. So we're not cranking all the way up until we get there. We need that room. We need to allow for extra dynamics, without distortion. We need to, that what that means is the volume's going to vary. It's going to go up and down, and so we want to give them the room and the artist, the performer, the room to have that little bit of grace. Otherwise, if they play, I mean, and this is really tough because if the artist is playing a performance, a 4 minute long song, just one instance of clipping in that 4 minute song can ruin that entire performance, especially if you're capturing or doing it live and you only get one shot. You're not going to get another pass. So it's very important to maintain that headroom. The headroom must be provided when setting signal levels during the recording process. Absolutely. So we want to give that extra bit of headroom. The result, though, is if we hit that red line, clipping results in something called distortion. And really what it is the waveform gets capped or cropped at the top and the bottom. And it takes a nice smooth wave and it turns it more into like a square wave. So it sounds very edgy and synthetic, which is typically not what we want when we're recording our audio. So it's very important to be mindful of the headroom and give an ample amount of space.